Well, I'm quite good. Thanks for asking. I can't see you.
Is it?
Yeah, very much.
I thought you wouldn't come, and I earlier I was somewhere
No, no,
else.
there was a login problem. I can't see
Okay.
you again.
Hmm. I don't know,
If
sir.
my
What's the problem?
if my memory serves me right, you are the YouTuber, right?
Yes, yes, I am.
Okay. So how is life in YouTube?
Yes, that's amazing.
Okay. I can't see you. I don't know. It's very distracting when I can't see a student.
Okay, sir, but I really can't do anything. It must be a technical problem. I don't know how we can fix it.
Okay. Sunil, I think this is our second class, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay. So, in the first class, what did we discuss?
We went for general questions. You did ask a few questions to me.
Okay, now you can ask all the questions to me.
Okay. But honestly speaking, I do not remember them precisely.
Okay,
Hmm.
but have you got any question for me?
I haven't got any questions. Even I was looking forward to holding this conversation. I waited and waited and waited.
There was a technical glitch. I couldn't enter.
No problem, sir.
And Sunil, you are from which part of India?
I'm from Delhi.
You told me. Now I remember.
Hmm.
So, Sunil,
Hmm.
do you think that the corporate world, I
Hmm.
mean, they are focusing so much on environment, so much on glamour, that
Hmm.
sometimes it is getting very difficult to extract the best out of an employee.
Hmm.
Do you think they are the ambience that they are creating, the surroundings that they are making?
Hmm.
It is getting very difficult for an employee to relate to it
Hmm.
and to give her or his best.
Hmm. Okay.
Do you agree with that?
Hmm. Yes, I don't feel this. I used to work in a multinational company,
Uh-huh.
and the ambience used to be eco-friendly. I always loved going to my office. Whenever I went entered in my office, the music was always on. I loved that, and every Friday there was a team, and they used to do some activities, and we were indulged in those activities. So I
Sunil,
don't
I
know.
remember you till my heart pumps blood because you are the only person who said that I always enjoyed going to office. Man, thank you.
The thing is that yes, I did. It
Okay.
could be the reason I was new to that environment. I always dreamt of working in that environment. This could be one of the reasons. Or once you spend a lot of time there, and after 2 years, I was done, because you cannot like the same thing every time. Life is something that we try new things, and we do different things. Why I'm saying I loved going to my office, every time there was a competition, every time I saw something new, and my office was gigantic. The
I
floor I
believe
used to work on.
the competition that exists over there, I mean,
Hmm.
by competition, you mean it was a healthy competition.
Right.
Okay.
Hmm.
All right. Sunil,
Yes.
I'm
Yes.
asking you a question. How important
Hmm.
is religion in life? Is
Hmm.
it at all important? If yes, why? If no, why?
Hmm. Religion, I think, to some extent, it is okay. I would not say it is important. I might be wrong to to say this, but whenever it's about religion, I always feel this can be a sore point to discuss.
What is religion according to you?
Religion, what I have learned it by myself is, first I need to be a good human being. Religion is something that teaches us that how we can be good, how we can be polite with others. This is what I believe. Religion is something that you should not only think of yourself, you should always think of others. You should not be callous. This what I learned from religion. And sir, what I think is religion is something that we are free to follow. There isn't any compulsion that if I am Hindu, I should only follow the Bhagavad Gita, or I should only read the scriptures of Hindus. I am free to follow any religion. This is what I feel, and God is one.
Okay, that's really a very good opinion. So, Sunil, you used to work in an MNC, just you said.
You're right, sir.
So, what really brought this 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 abrupt change in you that you gave
Hmm.
up your job and you decided to become a YouTuber? Why?
Sir, nothing is perpetual in life. And whenever you think you are going to do, you never know what life has held for you. First, I thought I would make my career in multinational companies. Apart from multinational companies, I did not imagine anything. I did not think I would be able to do anything, or I would be able to make a good living. When I worked in multinational companies, my perspective changed from there. And I really did not like what
How?
I was.
How your
Let me.
perspective changed?
Hmm. Sir, before I started working in a multinational company, I thought I would refine my communication skills. I would become a deft speaker of English. But it was my myth. Even after spending 6 months or after spending 9 months in a multinational company, I got to know my English was not improving at any cost. Even the level I had, it receded. It was because I was in a chat process. When it came to English, we only had the conversation, or
You
we only.
were in a non-voice process.
Right, sir. I
Okay.
was in.
I worked for BPO for around 12, well, 11 to 12 years.
All right.
I became the floor manager, and
Oh.
after that, they decided to put me into a US process, and I was nearly 40 at that time. So, I became completely exasperated and, fatigued. So,
Right.
I decided to give up and started
Hmm.
teaching, though I was not sure that I'd be a good teacher, but I just
Hmm.
started it just to keep things running.
Hmm.
Now here I am for the last 15 years.
Right, sir.
So whatever decision I took, Sunil, it was not really conscious. It
Hmm.
was just taken. I was not even sure of my abilities as a teacher. So I just started teaching, and this is the only thing I can teach. Well,
Hmm.
I cannot teach the science subjects, I cannot teach
Right.
the other subjects, only English. So I
Hmm.
started teaching in 2009, and here I am talking to you now. 15 years have elapsed.
Hmm. Wonderful, sir.
Okay. So, it was, I mean, it is very difficult to take a decision
Hmm.
because, particularly when you are changing your career path.
Hmm.
And all throughout my life, I worked in BPO, and after that, when I was getting selected in other companies, I did not really like the ambience over there because you
Hmm.
know what exists in BPO and what is there in other companies.
Right.
So it was very difficult for me to get myself adjusted.
Hmm.
So I left, and here I'm enjoying now.
Yes. So am I. I also enjoy what I do, and I always wanted to find my niche. And sir, somewhere I knew if I did not work in a multinational company, somewhere I would be working on my communication skills. And I also got some family support. I knew if I stayed home, my father would be able to give me my pocket money. I would be able to. some money from my father, and he did that. Even the moment I left working with the company I was working for, after that I stayed home almost for 2 years, and I did not earn a single penny. It was my father who always helped me with money. Now I'm into a different profession, and God be praised, I'm making some sort of money from this profession. And I know I'm going to earn a lot. And I also know the passion I have for this language.
Sunil, you have come a long way.
Right.
The words, your selection of words, construction of sentences, they are quite good. You've come a long way, man. You've done a very good job.
Thank you, sir.
And uh, this YouTube account, I think you've got many followers. How many followers you have right now?
I have more or less 2,000 subscribers.
Excellent. That's a great going.
Yes, it is.
So you only teach spoken English to them. That's it. I mean, spoken English videos over there, right?
Right, sir.
Okay. So any intention of diversifying
Hmm.
right now?
Now I think that I have thought one thing, sir, that now I'm going for some solo videos.
Okay.
Hmm.
You are, you have not really confined yourself by posting only these videos, but you are making your own videos as well.
Right, right, sir. So it's I think, sir, now people are done with the same content I upload on my channel. They want
Yes,
something new.
yes,
Every
yes.
time I have conversational videos with English Yari tutors or with some other people, and I also get some remarks. They always want me to have some solo videos where I'll be teaching some grammar concepts.
Okay, okay.
Yes, sir.
Sunil, I would have loved to extend the time of this class, but I'm pressed for time. I have got another class coming.
Yeah, sure, no problem, sir.
Okay, take good care of yourself, son. God bless.
Okay. Okay. Bye, sir. Bye. Thank you.